Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Hunter Fan Remote is probably one of the most convenient ways to control your ceiling fan, offering a seamless blend of comfort and modern technology right at your fingertips. Imagine adjusting your fan speed, dimming the lights, or even setting timers without ever having to leave your cozy spot on the couch or bed. This little device transforms your ordinary ceiling fan into a smart, responsive element of your home, enhancing your living space with effortless climate control and ambience. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone looking to add a touch of smart home convenience and sophisticated ease to their daily routine, making those hot summer days or chilly winter nights significantly more comfortable. Number 5. CENMING Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This remote kit is designed to work with most 120-volt, 3-speed AC ceiling fans. It's compatible with popular brands like Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay, Hunter, and Litex, making it a versatile replacement or upgrade option. Easily manage your comfort with separate controls for fan speed and light brightness. Choose from high, medium, or low fan speeds, and adjust your lights dimming or simply turn it on and off. Enjoy adjustable lighting with compatible incandescent and dimmable LED bulbs. For non-dimmable bulbs, it functions as a standard on-off switch, and a luminous button helps you locate it in the dark. The included receiver boasts a high power rating, supporting more light bulbs and ensuring a longer lifespan. It's built to handle the demands of most 110-volt, 3-speed AC ceiling fans. Everything you need for installation is included: the remote, receiver, a wall mount holder, wire nuts, and screws. Please note that a 9-volt battery is required but not supplied. What we like. This kit offers broad compatibility with most AC ceiling fans, making it a versatile choice. It provides essential 3-speed fan control and a light dimmer for adjustable ambience. If you're looking to replace or upgrade an older remote system on a standard AC ceiling fan and need basic, reliable functionality, this is a great option. What people say. The remote is a great addition to my Hunter fan, allowing me to control the fan speed and light from anywhere in the room. Installation was a breeze, and the remote works flawlessly with my Hunter fan. It's so convenient to have all the controls in one place. I love the dimming feature on this remote. It allows me to set the perfect mood lighting in my living room. Number 4. Hunter Universal Fan Light Remote Control 99770. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a remote, receiver, wire caps, and a wall mount. It offers a convenient way to manage your fan, keeping the remote accessible when not in use. Enjoy reliable performance with its universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with Hunter, Honeywell, Harbor Breeze, and many other brands, making it a versatile choice for your home. Installation is straightforward. Once the receiver is in place, the handheld control is prepared for immediate use within a 75-foot range. Effortlessly control your comfort. You can easily adjust between 3 fan speeds and dim compatible lights to create the perfect ambience in any room. For over 140 years, Hunter has been a leader in airflow and design. We are dedicated to making every space a better place with our quality products. Experience cutting-edge, American-engineered technology. It's ETL/UL tested for the highest safety standards and backed by a commitment to durable motor quality for your peace of mind. What we like. This option provides universal compatibility with many brands, ensuring it fits your existing setup. It offers precise 3-speed control and full light dimming for customized comfort. If you value ease of installation and reliable performance from a trusted brand with a long history, this is the one to consider. What people say. The fan remote works great and is easy to install. This remote control is a great addition to my Hunter fan, allowing me to control the fan speed and light from anywhere in the room. The remote has a sleek design and fits perfectly with my fan's aesthetic. Number 3. Hunter Fan Company 59461 Warrant Ceiling Fan. Discover the elegance and functionality of this 60-inch ceiling fan. Designed to complement any room, it brings both comfort and style. Control your comfort with ease thanks to the included remote. Adjust speeds and lighting to create the perfect ambience. Enjoy optimal air circulation throughout the year. Its reversible blades ensure you stay cool in the summer and distribute warm air in the winter. This fan features a built-in LED light, providing convenient illumination. Brighten your space while enjoying the fan's cooling benefits. The rich noble bronze finish adds a touch of sophistication to your home decor. It's a stylish addition that enhances any room's aesthetic. Experience the trusted quality of Hunter Fan Company. This fan is crafted for durability and performance, ensuring lasting satisfaction. What we like. This fan boasts a large 60-inch span, perfect for covering larger rooms with powerful airflow. It includes an integrated LED light for convenience and is operated by a remote control for easy adjustments. If you need a complete, stylish ceiling fan solution for a spacious area that combines lighting and air circulation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The remote works great and has all the functions you need. Easy to install and use, controls fan speed and light perfectly. Number 2. Humpptom Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This receiver is incredibly compact, designed to fit into most fan canopies with ease. While it's very small, please double-check your fan's dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. Effortlessly set your fan to turn off automatically with the built-in timer. You can choose sleep times ranging from 1 to 8 hours for your convenience. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Its dimensions are optimized for popular brands like Hampton Bay, Harbor Breeze, and Hunter fans, fitting most standard ceiling fan covers. Enjoy a peaceful environment as this remote operates silently. It offers simple on-off control without any distracting buzz or noise. This compact remote control is a perfect replacement for various brands, including Hunter, Westinghouse, Hampton Bay, and Harbor Breeze fans. If your fan uses pull chains, ensure the fan speed is set to maximum and the light is turned on using the pull chains before using the wireless remote. This ensures both controls work together seamlessly. What we like. Its standout feature is the incredibly small receiver, designed to fit into even the tightest fan canopies. It also includes a convenient timer function and operates silently without buzz or noise. If you have a fan with limited space for a receiver or prefer a quiet operation with added scheduling features, this compact solution is ideal. What people say. The fan remote works great and is easy to install. This remote allows you to control fan speed and light from anywhere in the room. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most decor styles. Number 1. Casablanca 99198 Handheld Ceiling Fan Remote. Take full command of your ceiling fan speed with 4 adjustable settings. It's designed to provide optimal airflow and comfort in any room. Create the ideal atmosphere with smooth, full-range light dimming. This feature works seamlessly with dimmable bulbs in compatible fan light kits. This remote is designed to work with most Casablanca and Hunter fans. Please note it's not compatible with Hunter Original or DC fans. Never lose track of your remote again. It comes with a handy wall cradle for easy storage and quick access whenever you need it. For over 50 years, Casablanca has been synonymous with timeless style and meticulous craftsmanship. Trust in our American design expertise and premium materials for lasting quality. What we like. This remote offers more granular control with 4 distinct fan speeds and full-range light dimming for precise ambient setting. It's specifically designed for compatibility with Casablanca and Hunter fans. If you own one of these brands and desire finer control over both fan speed and light intensity, this is the perfect upgrade. What people say. The fan remote works great and is easy to install. This remote control is a convenient way to operate your Hunter fan without getting up. It has multiple speed settings and a dimming feature for the light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.